Well, as Jon Snow might say, winter has come. Yep, I thought I'd get out early this morning. Our first winter snow this side of summer. What was that? Oh wow, amazing. It's a winter wonderland, it really is. So I'm going to zoom up the hill behind me and see if I can get a few shots. I brought one DSLR with me. I'm not so sure I'll use it yet. May just use the iPhone. Oh boy, that was fun. Nice bit of morning exercise for my oats, nuts, raisins, protein powder, grapes, anything else I can think of chucking in it. And I've already had 2 coffees this morning. But, oh, this is amazing.
Ready? Go!
Oh dear, hasn't gotten too well for this little child. That's the way to do it.
Alright.
That must be crazy. Anyway, so much for trying to get shots. Do any sort of winter landscape photography this morning because I've come down to this hill here and the DSLR hasn't even come out the bag. So I've just been taking stills and video with the iPhone and the GoPro and that's it. Bloody hell, it's freezing. But as Jon Snow would say, winter has come. He would say that now, of course. But yeah, so the best pictures have been on the iPhone, I think. It is coming down. It was snowing so heavily a few minutes ago that, well, I'm just getting soaked now. Of course, the other thing is my glasses keep getting steamed up, so I can't even see the focus anyways. I don't know what I'm doing. I should be going home now for breakfast. I keep saying this, I'm going home for breakfast. That's the mantra. Yeah, because I'm freezing. And it's gone really quiet down here now. This is what I was hoping to find when I first came down, but no, there were people ahead of me, and this is about 9 o'clock this morning, already sledding and building snowmen. There's some great snowmen down there actually, and they've all cleared off for breakfast now, I think. They've just left me to it. For the last 10 minutes or so, all I've heard is police sirens. Yeah, I guess there's a load of accidents this morning, people sliding or getting stuck in the snow or whatever. The thing is with this vlogging, of course you do a little bit of B-roll. This is now A-roll. And wherever you put the camera, of course you have to run back for it. And so it keeps you fit. That's the good thing about it.